very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Jive practice routine number 6, and this was taught online in a live Zoom class on Monday the 15th of August 22. So if you're in my video library on my website and you want the full class, head over to the 15th of August, and also if you're watching this in YouTube, you might want to check that out. But let me make a start. This is only a short summary recap. If you find I've gone too fast, that's why we need to look at the full video. Okay, so basic, I was on follower's timing, so I was going to go on the right foot, back and basic, and again, second one. Okay, little adaptation of the windmill, just for dancing solo, back, step, triple step, with wide arms. Yes, I know we don't do that when we're with the partner in the ballroom. So 2 bars, or 2 6 counts to get around. That's 2 windmills. We're going to do the quarter flicks, flick, flick, back, ball change, flick, flick, back, ball change. 4 times over. And then I'm going to do the boogie walks, double, 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 single, 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 for 8 singles coming back. I'm then going to go for an underarm turn, and what we would know in the ballroom as a stop and go, facing the back of the room. Or for those of you that like to call it the 8 count, the back rock 8 count, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to go out. There's my 180-degree turn. I do my 8 count. That's essentially 2 back rocks and a single chassis in between. Do it twice over, and then I'm going to return and unwind. For those of you that know the steps from the ballroom, it's like doing the underarm turn, 2 stop and goes on the follower's timing. Okay, we come back, 1 reverse whip, back step, triple step, cross step, triple step. Then we're going to do flick, flick, toe, heel, cross, flick, flick, toe, heel, cross. Just a little decoration at the end. So there's a lot going on there. I'm going to dance the whole thing through. Basics first. 2 basics. Second basic. 2 6 counts for the windmill. Do it again. Flick ball change. Sorry, flick corners and the back ball change. Boogie walks, double hip bump. Double, 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 double. Single, 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 single. Woo! Underarm turn, stop and go. You can stick your arm up like you do. Whee! Come back. Last one. And return. Straight away, reverse whip. Cross it behind. Now flick in. Flick, flick, toe, heel, cross, flick, flick, toe, heel, cross. There we go, guys. Like I said, short summary recap, just to refresh your memory. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you're watching in YouTube, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and all of that. And make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you're in my video library, thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you again very, very shortly. Bye-bye.